G'day, my name's Yvonne Monk. I come from Central Hawke's Bay. I've been here at Bendigo 6 times before today, and since 2014 was when we first came over with our friends from New Zealand, came to be part of this crew that hang out here at the Combi Clamp site. We come here to have a look at crafts and to experience the greatest sheep and wool show in the Southern Hemisphere, which is called the Bendigo Sheep and Wool Show. It's a fabulous place to come to. The first year I was here, I was like, oh my goodness, look at all the crafts. And to be fair, the beginning, it was like, oh, you have to go out of the shed again to get another breath to go back in because it was overwhelming. We're here for 3 days, so I don't know how people would do it in one day because it's impressive. It's huge and so colourful, so vibrant, and just all things craft. It's amazing, and lots of friendly Australians and all sorts of people as well that are in the crowd. It's just incredible. Love it. Feel free to come and do it at Bendigo Sheep and Wool.
I had 10,000 drums in my backyard, had a couple of beers one night and thought I'd try and cut a chair out. And I was very lucky the wife was pregnant, so I know how long ago it was. And my young bloke turns 25 this year.
Oh.
It's all 95% reused materials, it's indoors, outdoors. The chair you're sitting in now is awesome to sit around a fire.
Yeah.
Well, number one, they keep the wind off your back. Number two, when your back gets cold, guess what? Don't get up. Turn your back to the fire and heat the chair up.
Yeah. Cool.
I had to prove to people it wasn't just dead bodies that fit comfortably into barrels. And yeah, I will say that when I cross over the border.
Yeah, they're all day, but if you could just do a few runs, it's going to help out in the backyard, would be appreciated.